Hello, thank you for sending in your questions. I just wanted to make a quick video because I know that some of the answers I'm going to give you may seem a bit odd to try and read, so just want to give you a little bit of a video representation of the answers that I'm going to give you. So I already went over the first couple of questions, but essentially here's what you would see. So if this is the domain you're going to be building your website with, on, or rather, and you want to upgrade this to premium, you're just going to simply click upgrade and click add premium, and there you go, and this will be consumed. It will show 0. So for right now, we're just going to click edit website. And once we're in here, I'll just go over a quick couple of basic things. Each one of these videos that I can make for you is limited to 5 minutes each. So if I have to make multiple, I will make multiple, but feel free to ask questions. And if I deem that the question requires having to make a video, I will do so. So now that we're in here, the first couple of things that you're going to want to take note of is your tabs. This is the first one. So you have elements, design, pages, and settings. Each one of these will bring up its own sub menu of options here. The next thing you also want to take notice of here is the second section up here, or rather the first, depending on how you want to work within this. There's back to websites, which will take you back out to the Weebly portion where you can select which website you're working on, because you can use Weebly to build multiple sites. As well as there's the control panel. It'll take you automatically all the way back out to your control panel, as well as help and feedback. Up here on this bar as well is the publish button. Publish will basically tell Weebly to go ahead and take the site as you've built it and go ahead and write the code for it in HTML, CSS, whatever other languages are necessary, but generally Weebly builds within HTML, CSS. So it'll build it, start writing the pages for it, and then put it in your file manager. So with that said, within the elements, it looks like you've already started here, but if you want to use any one of the elements here, all you have to do is just simply click and drag down into the workspace down here, and you'll be good to go. So within here you have your submenu items, which is basic, multimedia, revenue, and more. Now I want you to take note that anything here that has a star on it means it is locked. For this one, in order to use this, it will tell you if you attempt to use it that you need to have Weebly Premium in order to use this one. Same thing with multimedia. These three right here, file, audio player, and embed document, are locked currently because you need to apply that Weebly credit to this. You can do so, and these particular items will give you the ability to, for example, file, if you drag it down into here, will either allow you to link a file that is on your website so someone can download it, whether they be instructions or manual or a form they need to fill out, or they can upload a file to you. So if you needed to obtain a form from someone, they can upload it to you. And audio player is self-explanatory, as well as embedded document. So if you have the same document, but instead of having the visitor having to click on the link in order to download it, is just embedded and shows right there on the page, you can use this. For revenue, it's a little bit different. Even though there are stars on it, the add-on that you have to use would be the Weebly e-commerce element. And I will want you to take note that within the next few months, Weebly, they are a separate company from us. They are going to be updating this software. So it may change, but as long as you have the Web Concierge service, I'll definitely be able to explain changes to you when they do happen. So once you're in here, you're going to want to go to your next tab, which is the Design tab. And this is what it'll allow you to do. It'll allow you to change the look, the layout of the pages that you'll make. So go through here and just look them over and see which one best fits your style or what you're looking for. And the great thing about this is if you start building the website, you start already having content on here, but you feel that maybe you want to try a different look, all you'll have to do is simply change it, but it's not going to affect the content that's on the page. So feel free to go ahead and look through this and choose the particular template that you would like to use. Pages allows you to build extra or more pages. Currently, with this version of Weebly, you're only allowed 6 pages, but if you apply the premium, you'll have unlimited pages. And this is really simple. You create a standard page, a blog page, or external link. So for example, you create this here, you give it a name, so like contact us. You put that there, and you can choose the type of layout that you want, whether you want the image to be a box or whether you want it to be narrow or wider. But let me know if you have any further questions. Thank you.